since the last time we met. It looks like your infection has spread throughout your body, and honestly speaking, there's nothing much we can do.
Greetings. You may not know me, but I've been admiring you from afar. I know about your condition. I'm genuinely concerned about your well-being. I may have something that you are looking for. Meet me at the nearest bar at midnight, the one that you always go. What have you got to lose? Dear D.
Can I get anything that will warm me up, please? Anything at all. Short will do. Thank you. One more, please. Lovely, thank you. Don't go anywhere. I might need more. Of all the places in this world, you guys just love to go to Himalaya, and I have to go and collect you guys, seriously. Cold weather is not supposed to be livable up there. I mean, if it were, it would be populated already, right? Oh, I'm sorry. I think I owe you some explanation. Well, let's just call me. You are a big fan. Let's just say that. And you know what? In these past few years, I've been taking hobbies a little bit more seriously, and I believe we have a similar interest. traveling. Right? Traveling. How about this place? Have you been in Pakistan yet? Of course you have. It's full of natural resources. Every rock has a sparkling like it has a soul in it. Right? And more importantly, Mother Nature. Lives there herself. I'm sorry if I were a bit slow. My tongue got frostbite on the way here. Can I get one more, please? Seriously. What's wrong with you? Time, isn't it? Time? Time isn't on your side anymore, is it? How about this? As a fan, I have one place that I really want you to go. It's more magnificent than any places in this earth combined. Would you like to go there? Just one more time. But you have to make me a promise first. Will you accept it? Dish this. Dish that. And more importantly, this. Dish it all. Dish it. Okay? This is more like it.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Then why you hate your life so much? Why? You see, where's the flame that once burned bright in your spirit? You inspired many people to do what they most desired. You inspired me, even. This is why I grant you my visit. The reason why is that that is not the end, my dear. Then don't let it stop you. For time is more valuable for those who live than those who don't. The very purpose of life, my dear, is to give life a purpose. So go, live your life with a meaningful purpose.